If you've been using retinol and wondering when or how to level up, this is for you. Here's the science-backed roadmap to moving up the retinoid ladder without breaking your barrier. First, understand the 3 variables that matter before we talk about what to do or which retinoid to try next. Consider them the 3 pillars of your retinoid success journey. Number 1, level. That's the type of retinoid. For example, are you using a retinol, a retinal, a tretinoin, something else? This determines how biologically active the ingredient is once it hits your skin. Number 2, the strength. That's the percentage used. Is it 0.25%? Is it 0.5%? Is it 1%? This affects how potent or how irritating a product might be. And that's regardless of the level. And number 3 is the frequency. How often do you use it per week? Even a gentle retinoid can cause problems if you jump to daily use too fast. What's the golden rule? Only increase one of these variables at a time. Just one. Now, let's talk about the retinoid ladder, from gentle to the strongest level. Here's the hierarchy of all of the retinoid levels, from lowest to highest potency. Number 1, retinol. This comes in strengths from 0.25% to 1%. It's a great entry point for beginners. You can find them over the counter. Number 2, retinols, also known as retinaldehyde. It's roughly 10 times more powerful than retinol. It also comes in over-the-counter products. Number 3, tretinoin. This is prescription only. This is the gold standard for aging, for acne, for some pigmentation control as well. Why is it the gold standard? Because this has been studied more than any other retinoid with proven results for decades across multiple studies. Number 4 is tazarotene. This is also a prescription only product. It's stronger than tretinoin and often used for resistant acne. And number 5 is trifarotene. It is also prescription. It's newer generation and mostly acne focused as well. So the level tells you how powerful the molecule is. Retinal is more powerful than retinol. The strength tells you how much is in the formula. So a 0.05% tretinoin is much stronger than a 1% retinol. Now let's talk about how to scale frequency safely. Number 1, start low, especially if you're a beginner or you have melanin-rich skin. Get used to associating the number of days with the number of weeks that you're going to be at that frequency. So you're going to start with applying it 1 time a week, and you're going to do that for 1 week. Then you're going to go to applying it twice a week, and you're going to do that for 2 weeks. So after those 2 weeks are up, then you're going to try 3 times a week, and you're going to do that for 3 weeks. And you're only going to keep moving up that ladder if you don't have irritation, if you don't have flaking, if you're not breaking out, etc. If you have any type of inflammation, then you're going to either scale back or you're going to stay at that level depending on how much irritation you have. This is especially important for melanin-rich skin because higher irritation is going to put you at risk for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So you're not going to gain anything, you're going to set yourself back. Also, higher irritation can bust your barrier and you're going to set yourself back with that again. So then how do you know that you're ready to level up? Well, you're ready to level up if you've been using your current retinoid at least 4 to 6 weeks with no redness, no flaking, no new sensitivity, and you're seeing consistent benefits, right? You're seeing brighter skin, you're seeing fewer breakouts, etc. You're not ready if you're still peeling regularly, your skin feels tight or dry after use, you're layering lots of actives without stability. Those are all red flags. So let's say you're using a 0.25% retinol 3 times a week and you want to increase the strength to 0.5%. You're going to only change one variable, right? You're increasing the strength. What you're going to do is first, you keep the same level. You're going to stick with the retinol. You're not going to jump to a retinal. So how do you do that? Well, we're keeping the same level, retinol. We're increasing the strength. And in order for us to do that, you're going to ramp back to twice a week and start from there at the new strength. Why? Because trying to move up too fast with a new strength is calling for a disaster for your skin barrier and higher irritation levels. Let's use another example. Let's say you're using 0.5% retinol for 4 times a week, and you want to move to tretinoin 0.025%, what you're going to do is actually drop down to 1 to 2 times a week, and you're going to build up slowly. You're going to keep that strength lower because your level is higher, much higher actually. A special tip for my melanin-rich followers, while you're trying to level up, avoid exfoliating acids and retinoids on the same night. I mean, you should do that generally anyway, but especially as you're trying to level up on retinoids. So what's the final takeaway? Moving up your retinoid game isn't just about chasing strength, it's about balancing level, strength, and frequency together. That's what's going to give you long-term results. Where are you on the retinoid ladder? Drop your current product, how often you use it in the comments, and let's build upgrade plans together.